In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept a Google Drive request. Whether you're managing a collaborative project or simply sharing some personal files, understanding how to handle access requests can make your digital life much easier. Let's dive in. First things first, if you find that someone has requested access to one of your Google Drive files, you'll most likely receive an email notification. So, go ahead and open your email account where you received the notification. This email is crucial as it contains all the necessary details about the access request, including the name of the file or folder and the person who is requesting access. Once you've read the email, you'll usually see a couple of options like Open in Drive or sometimes just Share. Clicking on Open in Drive or Share will navigate you directly to the specific file or folder in question, streamlining the whole process. This user-friendly feature eliminates the need to search manually through Google Drive, saving you time and making sure you're dealing with the correct file. Now that you are in Google Drive, you need to locate the Share button, which typically sits at the top right corner of your screen. It's easy to recognize, appearing in blue, ensuring it's visible whether you are looking at a file in preview mode or simply seeing it listed with your other documents. Clicking this Share button is your next step. After clicking the Share button, a dialog box will appear, revealing your sharing options. Here you'll see People with Access, and just below that look for the option that says Share with People. This section allows you to manage who can enter your domain of files and folders with specific permissions. As you're in the sharing interface, you might notice that the email address of the person requesting access is already entered, but if it isn't, you'll enter it manually in the provided field. Google Drive simplifies sharing by giving you different access possibilities. Decide whether you want to allow the person to have viewing access, forge engaging dialogues as a commenter, or be part of the editing team. Once you've selected the appropriate permission level, be it viewer, commenter, or editor, it's time to finalize the process. To do that, either click on Send or Share, and your settings will be applied. You've now successfully accepted an access request. There you have it, a seamless way to manage your Google Drive access requests. With practice, this process becomes intuitive and forms a vital part of using Google Drive efficiently. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel empowered to take control of your Google Drive sharing options. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy sharing.